Hi, I'm Chuck. This is Maker and Fixer of Things. Today, we're making bacon. I usually start by laying the bacon out in a single layer on a wire rack in a cookie sheet. The wire rack allows the bacon to be cooked on both sides, as well as let the grease drip off. Set the oven to 350 degrees and set a timer for 30 minutes and place the bacon in the oven. After 30 minutes, you'll pull the bacon out of the oven, and I usually lay down a paper towel so I can switch the racks without dripping grease on the stovetop. So we switch them top to bottom and then put them back in and put the pan back in back to front. Then another 10 minutes and the bacon's ready. Your mileage may vary on the timing. Next, I take the bacon out of the oven and put it in a single layer on a paper towel on a paper plate to get the rest of the grease. And then oh, and you can't forget, you got to save that last piece of bacon for you, so since you made the bacon. This is the tenderest, tastiest bacon you can make. It is amazing how it comes out. Oh, and don't forget to save your bacon grease to make soap. So thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. It really helps.